They say love is unconditional. Love has a condition. Even God's love has a condition. I repeat, God's love, which they call agape love, has a condition. Hey, calm down. I know you want to attack me, but listen. Every love has a condition. The only very reason you will tell me that God loves you unconditional is because he made you in his image and likeness. But that reason is the condition why God loves you the way he loves you. If God have made you the way he made animal, even an angel, God wouldn't have loved you the way he loves you. Every love has a condition. Some people say, hey, my mother loved me unconditionally. The question is this: can your mother love me the way she loves you? The reason why your mother's love is unconditional, according to your own definition, is because she gave birth to you. If your mother hadn't given birth to you, the love will not be the same. So the condition there is because she carried you in the womb for 9 months. That is why she loves you the way she loves you. Again, self-love is the same. Some people say, I don't know the reason why I love myself. We all agree that the opposite of love is hate. And everybody will agree with me there's a reason or reasons why someone should hate himself. And if there's a reason or reasons why you should hate yourself, there's also a reason and reasons why you should love yourself. The fact that you have not discovered the reason does not mean that those conditions are not existing. There is always a condition, there's always a reason why you are in love with yourself. The same thing with your partner. There is always a reason. It might be 0.001. It might be as small as an iota. But as small as it is, that is the reason why you fall in love. Whether it's money, whether it's sexuality, whether it's intelligence, whether it's beauty, there's always a reason why you fall in love. So every love has a condition. This will lead me to another topic saying love is not feeling. But till I come your way next time, I remain the preacher's son. You can call me Professor Black and White, the perpendicular bisector. This is moment of unquestionable truth. And as you celebrate Easter, I want to put this question to you this morning. Why did you love yourself? What is the condition behind why you love yourself? Once you discover this, you will be on your way to success. Thank you and God bless you. I love you.